Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best floral embroidery kit available for beginners and enthusiasts alike. The ETSPIL 3-Pack Beginner Embroidery Kit. Whether you're stepping into the world of embroidery for the first time or looking to sharpen your stitching skills, this kit is designed to make your creative journey enjoyable and straightforward. Right out of the box, this kit impresses with its completeness. It comes with 3 pieces of fabric, each featuring beautiful stamped floral designs that are perfect for practicing your stitches. The 7.9-inch adjustable bamboo embroidery hoop included is sturdy and easy to handle, giving you the perfect frame for your projects. Alongside this, you'll find 10 vibrant colors of embroidery floss, giving you plenty of options to bring your floral patterns to life. The kit doesn't just stop at providing materials. It also includes essential tools like 16 embroidery needles, a needle threader to simplify threading, and a seam ripper for quick corrections. All these are packaged neatly with detailed step-by-step instructions that are clear and easy to follow, especially tailored for beginners. One standout feature of this set is the step-by-step video tutorial that comes with over 1.5 hours of content. These videos walk you through 33 essential embroidery stitches, perfectly synchronized with each stamped floral pattern. This means you can watch the tutorial, pause, and practice each stitch at your own pace, building your skills progressively. Even if you've never held a needle before, these instructions make it easy to learn and enjoy the process. Another great aspect of the ETSPIL kit is the generous practice space on each fabric piece. The designs are thoughtfully laid out to allow you to repeat each stitch multiple times, which is invaluable when you're learning new techniques. This hands-on practice makes mastering embroidery less intimidating and more rewarding. Beyond being a practical crafting tool, this embroidery kit also makes for a wonderful gift. It comes in an elegantly designed box that feels special and personal, making it a perfect present for family, friends, or anyone interested in picking up a creative hobby. It's a charming way to encourage creativity while also offering a relaxing and rewarding pastime. The materials used are also worth noting. The bamboo hoop is not only eco-friendly but also lightweight and durable, which adds to the overall quality of the kit. The fabric and threads are of good quality, ensuring that your finished embroidery pieces look vibrant and professional. To sum it up, the ETSPIL 3-Pack Beginner Embroidery Kit offers everything you need to start or enhance your embroidery skills. From the high-quality materials and colorful threads to the detailed instructions and comprehensive video tutorials, this kit supports a smooth and enjoyable learning experience. Whether for yourself or as a thoughtful gift, it's a floral embroidery kit that stands out in both design and content. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in diving into embroidery or looking for the perfect starter kit, the ETSPIL set is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.